योग करो, योग करो। तन मन में सारंग भरो, आरंभ करो।
Please give a big round of applause.
Here with you. Is it okay now? So as it is narrated by madam, I am Venkatrao, having PhD district. Then for some time, maybe 3 years, I was there in Tirupati, 94 to 97. Then 97 to 2001. So as there were no pharmacy college, only one university in those days. So I completed my B Pharmacy from Bapatla College of Pharmacy, again from JNTU. So I was the third ranker among all university students in JNTU region. There was no faculty in pharmacy in those days. So there was no PG. Then I completed my PG, that is in pharmacy, from Andhra University, 2004. Then I moved to, so now we have around maybe 1,000 companies are there in Andhra Pradesh, again I can say, starting from Naidpeta, nearer to your Nellore area, Tada to the cancer research. I was there in cancer research, delivering the parental peptides for about 3 years in Sun Pharma. Then I moved to Chandigarh, so in Panisha Research Center from 2007 to 2010. Then parallelly I completed my PhD from same university, Andhra University. So in 2010 I finished my PhD. Then immediately I joined with Dr. Reddy's, so in Hyderabad, 2010 to 2021. I stayed with Dr. Reddy's, starting from analytical research, that is AR&D, pharmaceutical AR and formulation AR&D, to QC. So I used to help the team in all the areas, starting from method development, method validations, including US FDA audits. We faced a lot of audits in Dr. Reddy's again. Then recently, not an option. Recently, I got an opportunity to work with in this native district. Recently, I joined with one of the company, French-based MNC, that is Rocket. Simply it is called as Rocket, like Dr. Reddy's. So Dr. Reddy's also, it is a family-based company. So founded by Dr. Kalla Manjiriti Garu. So like that, it is also a French-based, family-based company. It is called ROQUTT. That is not ROCKIET. We have the rocket launching facility in India, that too in Nellore. So like that, so we have the company. So from France, they are operating this company. So Rocket again, it is having its own presence in 110 plus countries. So it is established in 1933. So they are into various fields. So they have their operations in Asia, Europe, US. So several countries they are operating into various businesses. So I am taking care of the India pharmaceutical quality head in Naidpeta, based at Naidpeta. So we are into the pharmaceutical excipient business. So we manufacture pharmaceutical excipients from plants. Okay. So we are not into the chemical based synthetic agents. We are into the the plant-based excipient manufacturers, starting from starch, then microcrystalline cellulose, then pre-gelatinized starch, then magnesium stearate. We have. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to join with you. This is first time I am joining with the educational institution. I am sharing my experience with the educational institutions. That too in the, again, pharma fraternity. I am sharing my experience. This is first of its kind. So thank you, Reddy Garu, for your help to join with you. Okay. However, so we have a long relationship with Reddy Garu by one or other way. So thank you for your acceptance to join with you as the chief guest to facilitate this function. So my dear students, I want to say three things on this occasion. So one is, I want to explain the manufacturing of the active pharmaceutical ingredients, then manufacturing of the formulations, and manufacturing of excipients. So coming to first thing, so manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredients. So active pharmaceutical ingredients, maybe each and every student. So what is active pharmaceutical ingredient? What do you mean by active pharmaceutical ingredient? At least Pharm D students or M.Pharm students, if you tell me, I will be happy. Or otherwise, I will explain you. Okay? Active pharmaceutical ingredient means ingredient which is, or a product which is giving therapeutic activity. Like crocin. Crocin tablet consists of paracetamol. Paracetamol is an active ingredient. Okay? So each and every formulation we should have an active ingredient. So coming to active ingredient manufacturing, like that is called as bulk drug industry. So bulk drug industry, so we can manufacture by the synthetic route as well as the natural way of production. So we have natural way of production, like what you are studying in Pharma Carousal. So we will be reading the alkaloids, then whatever it might be, senosides and all. So those are also whatever it is required. So key starting materials are procured from one or other ways. Then several steps will be there. Then final step it will be purification of the product. Then selling out as a company. Then API manufacturing, the drug master file, the products will be sold out in the respective countries. So what I mean to say is, you have the opportunity to work in all these areas. API manufacturing industries you have. In simply in Naidpeta, maybe we have again in Sri City also, maybe 10 to 15 companies are there which are into API industry. So first thing is API manufacturing. So you have the opportunities in these areas, whatever I explained to you from start. So across the India we have 1000 plus units are there which are into the manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredients again. Then coming to the second part, I won't take lot of time, maybe I will close it within 10 minutes. So the second part is the manufacturing of the finished dosage capsule, or a syrup, or a vaccine, whatever you call, that is called finished product, finished dosage form. So you have the opportunity to work with finished dosage form industry also. So finished dosage form industry, broadly we can classify into two different classifications. One is NCEs, divided into NDAs and ANDAs and NCEs. NCEs, a classic example is the corona vaccine, how we have manufactured in India, again by the Bharat Biotech. Okay, in Hyderabad, we only manufactured. So within 3 months time, we invented, we have done the trials. The companies work into these areas. So we are manufacturing a copycats of the innovators. So innovator, so once if we want to invent a new drug, it is a costly affair. It will take about 15 to 20 years time, spending 2000 crores. They don't have the trade names. Like Rosin and all, it will not be sold. That is sold as paracetamol 500. Companies will sell their products on that basis by filing as an ANDA. ANDA means abbreviated new drug application. So an application will be made with US FDA, then it will be registered. There is no alternative word for the commitment. We should not search a success. If you commit, success will follow. Okay, that is the thing I want to. Commitment means, I don't want to give you a lecture. Whatever you are doing, you have to do. That's all. That is the commitment. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for accepting me to speak few words before the students.
Today's chief guest and your principal, HODs and students and other faculty members. All of you, once again, congratulations and making this function as a meaningful one in the end. Anyway, I am very happy to see the persons like Sudhakar sir, who gave a clear information what is required for a pharmacy student. What he is required to know exactly what their field is expecting, what the field is all about. And I am very happy to see, out of my heart I am telling you, son, you know, when I came into the college, when I entered into our college, he was working on his work. He was doing his work. Commitment. That commitment, if you can add hard work to that commitment, then definitely, if not today and tomorrow, you will get your own results. World is coming today, and spending this much of time along with you is a lot that you need to understand. How difficult it is for a person like him to come all the way here to tell about all such things. You cannot get such information by paying some thousands or lakhs. We need to respect it. And one more thing, how he explained, if you see how clear he is and what exactly a student requires in the pharmacy domain, he explains very clearly. That is very much required. If you understand the core concept, people always will be on the line. If you do not understand what exactly required to be done from your side, everything will be like this. Therefore, persons like him, the information like what he shared with you means a lot. I thank on behalf of the college from our side wholeheartedly, and it is not me and my college, our college has given the opportunity to him. He has given such an opportunity for all of us coming all the way here and interacting with you. In their professionalism, and I believe in their. That's why I wanted to tell you, when we were coming here, you people have thrown such a what you call that, flowers on us. I don't believe in all such things. I wanted to be always professional. I wanted to be always onto the work. Okay, that doesn't mean that you are not doing any wrong thing, but we should be very, very professional. One more thing, from next time onwards, if you want to continue with your style of functioning, all these things, okay, I don't want. But whenever I come, don't play any music. We are not on-screen heroes. We don't want to be on-screen heroes. We wanted to act as a catalyst. If you can if you improve the standards of the institution, if you can motivate the student to move forward positively, that is enough. I don't like such things. Okay, if it is a part of your program, you can apply to other people. Don't apply to me whenever I come to any function over here. I am not here to sit as a guest. I wanted to have an interaction with you, that's all. Whenever I get an opportunity, I wanted to ask, I wanted to interact with you, that's all. Okay. Anyway, once again, I am very thankful out of my heart. I am telling you my sincere thanks to our today's chief guest, who is such a simple and committed person. You know what he told in the beginning itself, when he joined B Pharmacy in such a reputed institution in Hyderabad, there were no faculty related directly to the pharmacy field. There were science people who taught him. There were other science, microbiology, biotechnology. The importance of the student in making themselves as a real one, that you need to understand. Nowadays, many of the people are expecting them to make them as a end product by somebody, through somebody else. That is not good. Self-learning is very, very important. Self-motivation is important. If you are always expecting somebody to motivate you, what is in you? Nothing is there inside. Everything has to come from inside. That is very, very important. If you have something inside, it will come out, if not today and tomorrow. We need to look at the resources that are available around us. Make use of it. Don't blame for your failure maybe your parents or teachers or somebody else or society in broad. What you are, you try to explore what you are and what for you are. If you do not blame yourself and keep telling somebody as a reason for your failure in your life, you will keep complaining about something. One thing I can tell you very, very clearly, those people who are keep complaining about something or pointing out something has to be complained of first of themselves. That is true. Without having any background from a remote village, from Padalakuru, you see the person today. He is the person who was sitting like you at your age. But let's see the difference. Who made this difference? Not their parents, not the society in large, nobody else. He made himself as a different person to become like this. That you need to understand. One has to understand. One has to keep standing always on their toes. Try to understand what you are. That is only possible by maintaining the decency and decorum, not the content only. What are all the expectations? That is very, very important. People who are successful doesn't have double brain. Everybody will have only one brain. Those who utilizes in a proper way will achieve the success. Whatever the objectives you set as an objective or target, that decides you, the nature of you. Therefore, you must have a bright, very good taste. It is true. Those who find the right way and put hard work with commitment will definitely have a better future than others. It is true. Don't compare. One thing I wanted to say, most actually we can say you are the brilliant persons than us. To add is the commitment, the hard work and discipline. That you see, if you can add such things and see how brilliant you are, you can overcome the people who are standing and sitting over here. You know, try to utilize your competencies in such a way and try to work hard in accordance to the expectations of the work environment. Then see the difference. Entertainment will not come from outside or do not come from these DJ boxes. These are all the things which add some spice, that's all. Whatever the program, suppose if you conduct, as you are conducting this program, I think that you might have spent 5 lakhs amount of money, which is hard-earned money of your parents, not by you, which is earned by your parents. It must have its purpose in the end. It has to be served in the end. Every function, every social activity, every festival has its own meaning if you can understand it. If you can understand it, every festival is having its own importance. It makes influence on our life. It creates positive influence on our life. If you do not understand and just coming to the functions like this and enjoying with the DJ only, entertaining yourself without giving anything into it, what for this particular function is, what we need to learn. Therefore, all these things, those who try to understand, those who try to get into or jump into the issues, we have an opportunity to think about or understand about that particular issue. That is very, very important. As long as you are beating around the bush, always you have to roam. You have to roam as a, I don't want to use that word. Therefore, try to understand. Try to understand. You got every opportunity. You are the blessed people. You got brilliance. You got everything. Your people are there to support you to whatever extent you want to extend your wings. Therefore, try to understand. Get the taste and the entertainment and happiness out of the work, what you exactly do. Don't expect something will come and make you happy. Nothing will make you happy. It has to come from our side. It has to come from our work. Try to understand. As you are the final year people who are just about to leave the college, at least you should understand. With your age, if you do not understand, if you are not matured enough by this time, you are losing something. Therefore, try to understand. And once again, I congratulate the people, the fourth year people especially, who took all this pain in conducting this program, and people who worked hard, very hard. You know how much pain it is. How much pain it is to move all the people as a team. As an individual, you can excel in some areas. That is individual, that we can call it as an individual performance. Individual performance has its own limitations. You can grow to certain levels only with individual performance. After that, you need to lead the team. If you can lead the team, if you want to lead the team, you need to understand, you need to allow, you need to accept other views also. If you go by your own ways, I have seen in conducting all activities and making this function here and spending this much of time and making you enlightened. Whether how much you understood, I don't know. I understood the total picture of the industry. I understood the total picture. Even though I am a layman, I am not related to pharmacy, I am a chemistry person. Even though I understood what he told exactly. Therefore, you are the people who has to understand, because you know what is there inside.
A very warm welcome to the dignitaries in the dais, and welcome to the faculties and my lovable students. Yes, this cheer is missed out. For the past 1 week, all the students were enjoying, but today it is missing. Let me see your joyful face now. Right? Yeah, nice. So now our chief guest, we introduce you now. Many times chairman was telling, madam, some industry persons we have to invite for our functions, and we have to call some hospital persons. They have to come. They have to join with academics. Our students should know like that. So now we started introducing, and in future we are planning for making some seminars and workshops, and definitely we want to hear from you, sir, again. And now, when compared with the last year, I feel so happy because it is improved a lot in academics. So academic means not only the education, it's the co-curricular and extracurricular activities. So last year while we are taking, the student, those who are getting 75% for the first mark, this year the same student with 89% it is improved. So what is the meaning of that is, student is same, right? But we can see the percentage of improvement. So student was getting for 79%, now it is improved for 85. Student with 80 is improved for 90. So this means that they are improving. And while starting last year, really ourselves, that is our faculties, has got a lot of challenge. Why? Because all you people are grown up. We can't say finger on your lips, right? You won't listen. Which one we are telling not to do, you will do. Cheste yemi. Such students is 100% mobile addicted, right? Because of lockdown, all the students were addicted to the mobile. You started learning only through mobile. It was very tough for, it's a challenge also for all the faculty to make you to, right? And village means no proper school is there in my village. So my parents are teachers. So what they did is, I want to get better education. They made me to travel 35 kilometers daily. So daily I used to travel 1.5 hours, morning and afternoon. So I have to get the bus by 7 o'clock. Then when I have to start up, when I have to get ready, I have to reach that also, I studied with Little Flower Convent. Before 10 minutes I have to be there in the school. So I have to be there by 8:40. People can say that, okay, that's all over. No, I have to thank water committee. Because each and every student, after the event is getting on, they were taking the waters and cool drinks giving to the players. Fourth years are taking the trays and pads, keeping the juices and going to the first years. First years are playing and coming. It was very, very lively to say. I feel very happy. And chairman sir asked one question. You spent this much, you wasted all your academics, and what is you got at the end? Actually sir, on behalf of the students I want to say, we achieved 4 things by sacrificing 6 academic days. And if it is yes, you say yes. Right? No ante no cheppesende. Right? The first one is, the students, those who are not at all coming to the college also, they came to the college for the past 1 week. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. And the second thing is, our juniors, still we didn't conducted freshers party, sir. Our first year PharmD students and first year B.Pharm students mingled so nicely with it, right? And the second thing is, first years, they mingled so nicely with all the seniors. And the third thing, from the day 1 till today, those who are attended there, you may be noticing what all the problems, we first all the drawings. So that many drawings we got it, and we got it a lot of people who was coming in the academic also, because last year
Time, allotting one week time in the form of Pharma week should have a sense. Whatever the time we spend, whether it is 1 hour or half an hour or whatever it is, it should have some purpose. In the end, it should be served. That is my meaning. She knows also. Okay, why she ఎందుకని ఆ విధంగా చెప్పిందంటే ఎస్ ఆర్ నో చెప్పమన్నదంటే, మేము మీనింగ్ తీసుకొచ్చాము, కష్టపడి మీనింగ్ తీసుకొచ్చాము, చాలా హ్యాపీ. No need to concentrate day and night on only the content what you are supposed to receive. Okay, that is there. That things like this will mold the people as a personality. That is very, very important. Okay, anyway, once again,
It's been a very privilege and honor for me to extend only few words, not sentences. I don't want your valuable time. I just share few words. So you just start your day with a positive attitude towards learning, and be focused and set your goals. Not this is goals. Set your goals to achieve whatever you want. Be positive, and lastly, there are 3 words for success, that is hard work, dedication and confidence. These are the 3 words for success. I wishing you all the very best for the students to make work harder to be success. Thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Wishing you all the very best.
Requested him as a chief guest. All of suddenly he accepted my request. And once again, thank you very much, sir, for coming here with so much heart. He came from Gudu, Naidupeta. Yesterday he was in Chennai. Because of our program, he postponed all his schedule to tomorrow. Thank you very much, sir, for your commitment. I congratulate all the students for the great success of today's event, and I congratulate all the winners and also all the participants. And I request all the students to attend regularly. Some students, they are attending only functions. Please come regularly and improve your knowledge. Regularly I am facing each and every student. Everybody is listening my teaching capabilities. It's not a matter, that is subject. But out of this, what I want to say is, many of the students discipline, determination, dedication, you could not able to achieve anything. So once again, I am very thankful to our management for giving this opportunity, and also I am very thankful to our students for participating and for your help for the success of our today's function. And also I am very thankful to our principal ma'am for conducting this great event. And also I am very thankful to all our colleagues. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank students and faculty. It's a great honor and personal pleasure to welcome today's chief guest, Chairman Sir, and all the dignitaries on the stage to launch our college magazine. Put hands together to a big round of applause. Applause.
All of you put hands together.
Give a big round of applause.
Chief guest of today's event, Dr. P. Venkatrao sir. Welcome to our event, sir. So your speech is very nice and valuable to us, sir. And respected our honorable chairman, sir, principal madam, and head of the departments, and all other faculty members. In a few months, so I am joined this college in 2019, September 16th. I remember that day. So while in the graduation level and executing, so first of all we have to plan our examination and everything. First of all we have to focus on it, and we have to make a plan for doing this work and executing of the plan, and finally performance is important. So by doing all the things, if we do not perform anything means it is waste. We have to perform well on that day. So I have to thank all the faculty members. They are encouraging me in all the participations in the national levels. So while I was participating in any event, I felt only one thing: if I am win means winner, if I lost means a learner. So even though I win, I can learn
From first year.
We are the truest proof that Jagan's College of Pharmacy is the best college in the Nellore. And we are the freshers and we are going to be an achievers. All the freshers are going to be achievers. And we are so lucky that we have our senior footsteps to follow. And thank you everyone, and thank you seniors for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you everyone.
Every day. But seniors, entire life, they will be spending with us. Okay? That's what I want to say. Other than this, I never accepted any invitations like this in any college. Sir, you need. Okay, relationship always, it should be there. So the ragging and all, it is not at all acceptable in the campus and outside the campus also. In the recent past also I have seen one of the message or one of the incident.
I give preference to the sports. కానీ ఈ ఇయర్ మాత్రం from my bottom of my heart I would like to thank our beloved seniors who were the forerunners of us to guide us and to motivate us to participate in a poetry or poster అట్లాగే వచ్చేసి డ్రాయింగ్ కాంపిటీషన్ అవ్వచ్చు ఇట్లా వాటిల్లో మమ్మల్ని బాగా ప్రోత్సహించి మేము పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసినందుకు రియల్లీ behalf of our second B.Pharm students I would like to thank them. అట్లాగే teachers who gave guidance to us to walk in a footsteps.
Well state today's chief guest.
To get the opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on the special occasion Pharma Carousal 2023. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the honorable delegates who have blessed us with their presence and inspiring words. Thank you, sir. My sincere thanks to the principal ma'am, HODs, faculty members and supporting staff for their endless support. I am also very much thankful to all the student coordinators.
रसितं राघवशतकं गायतमधुरम् राघव
నా చెయ్యి పట్టినోడా
dancing. When I got a loading. Stop dancing. When I got a loading.
కలిగించే సంచలనం ఉనికి నీ మదపై
దేవుడా
ఇన్ని పాటలే సార్ మా పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ పాట ఒకటి ఏంటి
సిచ్యువేషన్ డిమాండ్ చేసేసి
ఆయన పాట సిచ్యువేషన్ ఏముందండి నేను డిమాండ్
జీవితం నల్ల రంగు వంటి కాగితం కన్నీళ్ళతో ఉండాలిలా తట్టుకోవడం కాదే నా వల్ల వయ్యారి దుఃఖపట్టి ఏడుస్తూనే ప్రాణం నీ వల్ల తట్టుకోవడం కాదే నా వల్ల వయ్యారి దుఃఖపట్టి ఏడుస్తూనే ప్రాణం నీ వల్ల.
తర్వాత ఏమైంది? తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది? ఆ మరుసటి రోజు మా ఏరియాలోకి ఐశ్వర్య వచ్చింది.
No encouragement.
Everybody come and shut it up now. Come to the rhythm and let go.
బాద్షా డిసైడ్ ఆరోగించడు కొద్ది
Give a big hand for excellent performance.
on. Raise the volume. Let's dance on some mass stuff. ఆ గాజువాక కండక్టర్ సాంగ్ వేసుకోండ్రా. సింపిరి చుట్టుదాన్ని సెవిలి రకన చుట్టదాన్ని సెల్కి లక్కి పెట్టేదాన్ని ఉంగరాల మెట్టదాన్ని నేను కంటి దండాడదాన్ని కాదు బాబు పలసరు బైకు మీద రాల బాబా కాలేజీ టైములోన కన్ను కొట్టి పిలిచినావు నేను రానుకో అంటే కళ్ళు ఎర్రవేసినావు నేను కంటి దండాడదాన్ని కాదు బాబు పిల్లవాదాన్ని నేను రాను బాబా నేను కంటి దండాడదాన్ని కాదు బాబు పిల్లవాదాన్ని నేను రాను బాబా కళ్ళతోటి సైగ చేసి మల్లె పూలు చూపించి సెయ్యి పట్టి లాగినావు నేను కంటి దండాడదాన్ని కాదు బాబు నీలాంటోడికి సనుగివ్వను బాబా నేను కంటి దండాడదాన్ని కాదు బాబు నీలాంటోడికి సనుగివ్వను బాబా నేను కంటి దండాడదాన్ని కాదు బాబు పలసరు బైకు మీద రాల బాబా నేను కంటి దండాడదా
నన్నే చేరితివే అబ్బా
first year B Pharmacy students.
Raise the volume. Let's dance on some mass stuff.
నా సామే నా సామే రర సామే బంగారు సామే మిసల సామే రజల సామే నా సామే రర సామే బంగారు సామే మిసల సామే రజల సామే
తగ్గేదేలా
స్టెప్పులు డల్ గా ఎత్తున్నారంట్రా. డల్ గా అంటే ఎనర్జీ 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 అంటేనా సౌండ్ పెట్టి
పల్లెట్టుకొచ్చిందో
నాకేంటో బంటూ సంథింగ్ కంప్లీట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. కంప్లీట్ అవ్వలేదు అమ్మా. ఇన్ని పాటలతో ప్యాక్ చేశాక కూడా
ఆ గాజువాక కండక్టర్ సాంగ్ వేసుకోండిరా.
కృష్ణుడు వచ్చాడే వచ్చాడే కృష్ణుడు వచ్చాడే యమునా తీరాన ఉన్న రాధను చూశాడే చూశాడే రాధను చూశాడే చుట్టులేని గోపాలుడే చుట్టూ వేసే గోపాలుడే సముద్ర బాలుడే ఆట మీద పడిపోవుడే కట్టిగా చీకటిన తన్న కొడతాడే తన్న ముద్దలని పెద్ద కొడతాడే తోల చేతడే తాళ వేస్తాడే నా చెయ్యి పట్టినోడా
Thank you so much, man. Thank
நீ லூஸ் மாதிரி பேசாத இங்க இருக்க
நான் சினிமால வர மாதிரி லூசு பொண்ணு இல்லை மாறி ஆள் மாசு பொண்ணு
ஏ லூசு வாட்ட இந்த பக்கம் இது போ போ
మీరు కంట చేరికో పాటు దూరానికే ఎందుకు చూసే ఈ కళ్ళకి లోకమంతా ఇంకెందుకో రెండు అక్షరాల ప్రేమకి ఎన్ని శిక్షలెందుకో
ఈ అమ్మాయి బాగా స్ట్రిక్ట్ అండి బాబు.
బాగా స్ట్రిక్ట్ అవ్వడానికి స్కూల్ హెడ్ మాస్టర్ ఏంటరా ఆ అమ్మాయి ఓ అమ్మాయి వారానికి పడద్దు, ఇంకొక అమ్మాయి 4 రోజులు పడద్దు, మరో అమ్మాయి సంవత్సరానికి పడద్దు. ఫైనల్ గా ఏ అమ్మాయి మగాడికి పడాలి, పడుద్ది.
ఆల్మోస్ట్ పడిపోయింది పిల్లరా పిల్లరా ఆల్మోస్ట్ పడిపోయింది పిల్లరా 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 సున్నులే జాను చిల్లు చేసారేను అదిలే కన్ను అదిలే పిల్ల పిల్ల ఓ ఫుల్ మూను నానే క్లాడేను ఒక్కవేను పిల్ల పిల్ల దేశవరియా చలియా కొంచెగా నువ్వేస్తుంటే నా దునియా రెండుగా అయిపోతున్నదే నీ మరియా సదియా మాయలో మనసు పడ్డామా నాలో నేనా ఆల్మోస్ట్ పడిపోయింది ఆల్మోస్ట్ పడిపోయింది ఆల్మోస్ట్ పడిపోయింది మందుకు వచ్చింది ఆల్మోస్ట్ పడిపోయింది
వీలైతే ప్రేమిదండు, పోయిదాం మహా అయితే తిరిగి ప్రేమిస్తారు.
సిగ్గుల సప్పుడు జోడి చేయగండి పొద్దులది చూడు వేడి పంచే కోకంచే అందుకుంటే అల్లుడు తగ్గడు మంతరం మౌన విడల మంగళం తోలు తోలలు తోలలుపిన వేడు మంతరం మౌన విడల మంగళం తోలు తోలలు తోలలుపిన వేడు దిగు దిగు నాగా నాగో నా దివ్య సుందర నాగో నాగా దిగు 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 నాగా నాగో నా దివ్య సుందర నాగో నాగేటి సాలగాడ నాగేటి పనిరో నాగేటి సాలగాడ నాగేటి పనిరో నాగేటి సాలగాడ నాగేటి పనిరో నాగేటి సాలగాడ నాగేటి పనిరో సంతాల సత్తగాడ నాగేటి పనిరో సాకిరే వాసగాడ నాగేటి పనిరో ఎరగబెట్టి మరగబెట్టి బిగలబెట్టి అగలబెట్టి ఎలగబెట్టి నాని అమ్మార చాలురో కొంపకొచ్చి పోరాయ్ కొడనగ కొంప ముంచుతాందో ఈడు బాగా కొంప ముంచి పోరాయ్ కొడనగ కొంప ముంచుతాందో ఈడు బాగా గిల్లి పోరాయ్ సెక్కినగ సంతాంగి పోయితే పడగలాగా దిగు దిగు నాగా నాగో నా దివ్య సుందర నాగో నాగా దిగు 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 నాగా నాగో నా దివ్య సుందర నాగో నాగా బృందావనం నుంచి కృష్ణుడు వచ్చాడే వచ్చాడే కృష్ణుడు వచ్చాడే యమునా తీరాన ఉన్న రాధను చూశాడే చూశాడే రాధను చూశాడే చుట్టులేక బాలుడే చుట్టు వేసిన బాలుడే సమక్షణ బాలుడే ఆట మీద పడిపోడే నాటిగా చీకటిగా కన్ను పెడతాడే నా ముద్దాన్ని పెట్టి పెడతాడే గోల చేతనే బాల వేస్తాడే మాయలోనివే హై
Let's go.
ఈ డిచ్చి డిచ్చి కాకుండా మన మ్యూజిక్ ఎవరైనా
critical condition Artham quick upon Hilda sab shake upon
వన్ సైడ్ లవ్ వల్ల మనకు వచ్చే లాభాలేంటి
అది చెప్తా విను అమ్మాయి మనసు చేయాలని ఒక డ్రెస్సులు అది వాళ్ళని తీరని అప్పులు చేయక్కర్లేదు అరసు ఫోటోసలు కౌరు చెప్పక్కర్లేదు పైన షికార్లకే తిప్పక్కర్లేదు
Alright, let me see everybody's hands up in the air and clap, clap, and clap, clap, clap.
Water, please. Next, fourth year B Pharmacy, Venkatesh with 85%, Lakshmi Priya with 84, Venkatesh with 85, Priya with 84, and Lakshmi with 83%. Next, Monica with 77.2. Monica with us to give away the academic prizes. I am requesting. Done. I am requesting the remaining faculty. Now it's turn for FAMD second year. Joshna and Dinakaran with 77%. For excuses. Boys takkuva, girls ekkuva, adi kaadu. That is not the way. Devendra Reddy. Next, family third year. Varshita, Rushita. Good slang. Second year, I request Bhuvaneshwar sir to give away few academic awards. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, and principal, ma'am. Thank you, Geeta, ma'am.
I request you to be the part of this event.
I am requesting Amaravati madam also to give away few academic awards. I am requesting Amaravati ma'am. And it's time for FAMD fourth year. Okay na?
Satish Anna, absent.
Satish Anna absent anta. Sudhakar Anna తీసుకుంటున్నాడు అంటే ఇప్పుడు చార్జ్.
Okay madam, thank you. Okay.
Ayo pulang udah motor.
81%.
Manu, bahul jate kame bola bola kamu. Kau चला ले लगा. Bahul jate होते. Manu नगर गए.
Basha with 88. M Girish
కష్టపడ్డా పాలమ్మిన
M Girish
గారి నుంచి మేము ఖచ్చితంగా
Basha.
దొరకలేదు.
Expo Awards. I request Charmi. Next poster. third family, Gangadhar and Rakshita. What I request Bhuvaneshwar sir and Sharan sir and
భువనేశ్వర్ సార్ గారి కోరిక మేరకు
essay writing competition. The first prize, first B forms. Second prize goes to Maheshwari, fourth family, Rakshita, third family.
మహేశ్వరి గారికి ఒక్కసారి మీ కరచాల ధ్వనులతో ఆమెకి ఆహ్వానం పలకాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాను. ఇట్లు మీ కుటుంబ సభ్యులు రక్షిత, మహేశ్వరి అండ్ రక్షిత నెల్లూరులో.
పులిగిరి ఎక్కడ ఉందో స్టేజ్ దగ్గరకు రావాలని చెప్పి మరి కోరుచున్నాం. పులిగిరి ఓకేనా?
Next Karthik from first B form and Shrikant Reddy from first B farm. You are all waiting for cricket.
Oh, cricket. ప్రియమైన జట్టు, ప్రియమైన పేదరులకు, సోదరీమణులకు, సోదరులు ఒకరే ఆడతారు క్రికెట్. మ్యాచ్ ఓడిపోయినా అందరి మనసులు ఇచ్చారు.
I am requesting principal ma'am to give away the cricket trophy.
నల్లదుస్తులు వేసుకొని విద్యార్థులు అందరూ వస్తున్నారు. అయ్యప్ప స్వామి భక్తులు
కొంచెం సౌండ్ అంట పెట్టండి అమ్మ, వీళ్ళ పాపం జోష్ రాలేదంట.
వాలీబాల్ గెలిచినటువంటి
సెకండ్ బి ఫామ్. I want sports list. Winners and runners list. Sports list.
సపోర్ట్ చేసిన మా గౌరవనీయులు శరణ్ సార్కి ప్రత్యేక అభినందనలు.
I request Narasimha sir and Basha sir to give away the kabaddi prizes, runners and winners.
నమో వెంకటేశ నమో తిరుమలేశ.
ఒకసారి గట్టిగా చెప్పట్లు.
మొమెంటోస్ పెట్టండి మా ఫ్యాకల్టీస్ ని. ఫ్యాకల్టీ మొమెంటోస్.
Big round of applause.
సుమయ్య
ఉపాధ్యాయులకి గట్టిగా
కైతడే
Now I request గీత మేడం. సార్ చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు. శరణ్ సార్ ఏకైక వ్యక్తి.
చెల్లి కలగన్నా
చూడు జంబలకడి జారు బిడ్డాయా.
నాకు నమ్మకం లేదురా.
గుడి లేని దేవుడేరా మా శరణ్ సార్.
భాషా సార్ 60 years భాషా సార్. మా కోసం చాలా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు.
థ్యాంక్స్ ఎ లాట్ మేడం. వి థ్యాంక్స్ ఎ లాట్. గట్టిగా చప్పట్లు మేడం, గట్టిగా చప్పట్లు. ఎవ్రీబడీ రైజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్. దిస్ ద లాట్.
సొంపులో పుచ్చమందరం ఏడాడి సందెల వీడ ఏడాడి సంగీత మేళ పిల్ల పిల్ల నీ గొడవని వాళ్ళని వచ్చేసుకుంటానులే జమ్మా జమ్మా
Boys and girls, put your shoes on. Raise the volume. Let's dance on some mass stuff. Hey, ఆ గాజువాక కండక్టర్ సాంగ్ వేసుకోండ్రా.
సింపిరి చుట్టదాన్ని చెవులి రకన చుట్టదాన్ని చేతి లక్కి పెట్టదాన్ని ఉంగరాల మెట్టదాన్ని నేనటండి దండాడదాన్ని కాదు బాబు పలసరు పైకు మీద రార బాబా నేనటండి దండాడదాన్ని కాదు బాబు పలసరు పైకు మీద రార బాబా
బిచ్చి బిచ్చి కాకుండా మన మ్యూజిక్ ఏమన్నా
గుందిరా నారీ
प्यारी బొమ్మోలే ఉన్నదిరా పోరి బొమ్మాటు గుందిరా నారి లడ్డోలే ఉన్నదిరా కోరి లై లై లప్ప బుగ్గల్ది ప్యారి ఏడికెళ్ళి ఊడి పడ్డది మిస్సు దీని నవ్వుతోనే ఎగిపోయి యేసు ఒక్కసారి ముట్టుకొని చచ్చిపోతా వెళ్ళిపోతా వెళ్ళిపోతా చంది కాళ్ళు మొక్కి చచ్చిపోతా పటల్లే గుంపులున్న పోరి పంపు లెక్క సంపుకుంది రో నారి రంగు ఒక చేసుకుంటూ కోరి సంపు బుట్టినాది గుండె మీద ప్యారీ
The students, I request the students. The buses are moving.
గుణగాలు లోడింగ్ dancing, గుణగాలు లోడింగ్
Good performance. Now it's time for prize distribution. I request all the participants get ready to take the prizes.
సమోసాలు వెయిటింగ్ చేస్తున్నా మీకోసం గేట్ దగ్గర. కొద్దిగా అది లెక్క వేసుకో, ఇంకొద్దిగా ఫోటో కోసమే ఫేస్ వాష్. మాధవరెడ్డి సార్, కమాండ్ టు ద డయాస్.
And one next third peacock. Get ready to take the prizes.
ఆకాష్ మన ఒక్కడే.
Lalita, please go to the stage and give away the prizes. Please cooperate, students. The remaining events are also there. Next, Coco girls.
సార్ లేకుండా జోష్ తక్కువైంది. సార్ వచ్చాడు, జోష్ పెరిగింది. సార్ లేకుండా జోష్ తక్కువైంది. జోష్ ఏమైంది వేలో? నాగ చైతన్య తుఫాన్ మాధవరెడ్డి. పోటీలో విన్నైన ప్రతి ఒక్క విజేతలు స్టేజ్ దగ్గరికి ముందుగానే రావాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాం. ఆల్రెడీ 6:30. మేడం మాట్లాడి అలసిపోయారు. మేడం కూడా ప్రైజ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ చేయాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాం. మైక్ పక్కలో ప్లీజ్ మేడం.
Next dance competition, girls. Rakshita. Gunasilan first prize.
ఒకవేళ వాళ్ళు లేకపోతే వాళ్ళ తరపున వేరే వాళ్ళు కూడా రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాం.
Praveen. The participants. Fourth B farm and third Mahita. And next event Tennicoid girls. Tennicoid for girls. Winner. Ganesh, first B farm. Sandhya farm B. Vinisha, third B farm. I'm requesting prize distribution coordinators to get ready to take the prizes. It's already too late. It's not safe for girls to be here. First prize, Prakash and Gangadhar. Anthony and Monica, fourth farm B. And second, Pavitra and Adipa.
స్టూడెంట్స్ స్టేజ్ మీద ఉన్నాను, కాస్త త్వరగా ఫోటోలు తీసుకోవాల్సిన కోరుతున్నాను. మీరు లేట్ చేయడం వల్ల కింద లేట్ అవుతుంది.
Next, the last event and third B farm winner Pravalika and runner Swati. Third B farm. Third year B farm winner Pravalika, runner Swati. First B farm and Ganesh, first B farm girls. Mamata, second B farm and second Swarupa, first farm B. Sindhu, first B farm.
తమ్ముళ్ళు ఫోటోలు చాలా తీసుకున్నారు, దయచేసి ప్లీజ్. ఆడపిల్లలు ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాలి, దయచేసి ప్లీజ్.
చాలా డార్క్ అయిపోయింది. You just wind up all of you.
ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ దిశ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని సేఫ్టీగా ఉంచుకోండి. దయచేసి ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ ఇంట్లో క్షేమంగా వెళ్ళండి.
Students for photo session followed by final year farm B. Photo session. Ready unnara?
Doctor of University, Satish Anand. Please begin. Doctor of the College, Angling Management.
Fifth farm D. I request fifth farm D students for photo session. Fifth farm D ready lera?
అందరి గురువుల ఆశీస్సులతో మేము ఈ ఈవెంట్ ఎంతో సక్సెస్ చేశాము.
I am ready to leave the stage. Have a safe journey.
అందరి ఇంటర్వ్యూల తర్వాత గ్రూప్లో మెసేజ్ చేయండి అమ్మా. మీ సేఫ్టీ.
You just safe journey. Have a safe journey for girl hostel. First B farm students. ఒక్కరు కనిపించకూడదు ఇక్కడ. Next fifth farm B.